Hello, so this is the setup for this i3 third gen PC. So this is how to install the Windows 10. So this is the installer drive. So install now, just click install now. Then by the way, I use Pansyang solid state drive for this unit, as you can see, and an old power supply. Then there it is. Just click. I don't have product key. Then I like the Windows 10 Pro, which is for me is the most stable in this OS. So then click next. Just wait and click accept. Next. Custom, just use the install Windows only, and then just use the whole space. Then just wait for this to load. Okay, so just wait for a couple of minutes, I think. Then we'll resume this video after that. So by the way, by using an SSD solid state drive like this one was good write speed. It will give us a good time, or a write speed time in OS setup. So we will not wait for very long hours for installing the OS. By using the SSD like this one, we have a spare time to do another work. So it will redirect to this screen after those loading times. Just wait, and then you have the Windows 10. So it will restart. Then there it is, your new Windows 10 Pro has been installed in this new unit. Just wait. Actually, we do have to another tweak about this OS so that we can activate the product key. Or maybe I will post it in another video on how to activate the digital license for this Windows 10 Pro. It's free from GitHub, so I will show it to you on how to do it. But I don't know if YouTube will allow it to be uploaded, so let's see in another time. But so actually my phone has been drained by capturing this video actually, so I don't have much more time to do the to do the let's just hope if my battery allows. We just hope that we can proceed to the another screen for this video. as you can see. Just select yes. Then use the US because it's the standard. Skip if you want to because we okay, maybe we'll I can connect. I don't have internet, so right now I don't have internet. So okay, maybe we can click here connect now, but I don't have internet, so let's just do the continue with limited setup. Just click next. Okay, so just use PC 7. So I think it's my 7th build actually. No, not password. No password for now. Maybe in another setup. So accept. Not now. I don't want this app. So yeah, we have the Windows 10 Pro right now. So maybe I will upload the video like installing the Windows 11 or updating your PC to use Windows 11. Maybe in the next video. So it said this might take several minutes. So just wait for it. And after that, we can use our new PC, but uh, there it's not actually activated, so we need to activate it using just use the Windows PowerShell, then go to the musgrave.dev website. Then after that you will see the tips or guide on how to activate your license, digital license actually. So maybe if the battery allows, we can get a video about it, but not right now. I don't have the internet. I can't access my internet for now. I'll try.